Welcome to the data center. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Torval, and this is my AI data center build. This is we're looking right now at the central tower, kind of an anti-gravity chamber for the electricity that's coming in here. This is a little behind the scenes of the circuit, so you guys can see it's a sequence lighting circuit with some timers and blockers to make this work. But yeah, this is the human harvesting data center, and these poor humans are being sucked of their life force from the evil AI overlords. And yeah, these pods are cryo chamber pods are all holding these people and pulling every last life force out of them. These are some elevators that I set up. They don't currently work in the video only because I'm in no clip mode, but if I was in here in character, they would be working. This actually takes you around to the entire build, so up and down and across the build here. This is one of my drones that I set up. I have a few drones around the build. These are set up with nuclear warheads and Tesla coils and some laser lights and spotlights. These are part of our Fun Shop plugin that we have on the server, which is essentially lets you use some items in game and place them down and use as decorations. Very cool. This leads up to one of the towers here. This is where we convert the human energy into wonderful AI appropriate electricity. And the cave above that we're looking at is actually built, I hand built this with the large rock formations in our Fun Shop. So these are all just rocks that I placed and made into a cave and lit up with some spotlights and stuff like that. But I'm in the middle of the water here on this build, so all this structure was hand placed. You can see all the piping that I placed for wires. Those go to each one of the pods and then travels to the central tower. And the build itself is symmetrical, so I started with a circle and kind of branched my way out, but completely mirrored left and right here, which is a pain in the ass, but I think it looks really cool and really alien, so I'm glad I did that in the end. It's kind of my central courtyard leading back to the AI overlord. I'll pop in a character here real quick so you can see. This is kind of the main back feature here. I'll give you guys a closer look at some of the components that are going on. Got a lot of stuff that went into this. It's a igniter and some lights, an egg for the spinning features. Got a bunch of wires inside of there. This is kind of the main board of the little AI guy here. And I just wanted like a sea of wires and piping just to make it kind of chaotic here. I feel like this thing is, you know, really pulling every last resource to power those AI prompts that you guys love, and you know, it needs all the energy it can get. Just give you another walk around here. I put some debris in the waters here to kind of just the remnants of whatever was here before. You know, maybe it was a Starbucks or something. We don't know. And yeah, just give you guys an overlook of the build itself here. Super fun build. This is actually my second time building this. I built this on another server with very limited resources and was able to recreate it here, and really just able to do so much more than I was with the other build, and had a lot of fun redoing this. And I'll go ahead and zoom out here so you guys can see the overall structure of the cave. Like I said, these were large rock formations. I scaled these all up to make the overall structure, and then kind of used some smaller ones on the inside to create texture and shape and all that. But yeah, had a lot of fun building this, and I look forward to showing you guys the next build, which I'm sure you will absolutely love. And thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you.